Farmers are looking for you to turn up the heat, Dave. Can we deliver?
Well, maybe one day we can, and then we kind of go back to where we ought to be for this time of year. We still continue to see a few cool days in there. We saw it this past week, and it doesn't look like that trend's going to change much. You can see those temperatures remain at least 2 degrees below normal, and precipitation's been, in some cases, well over an inch. In Green Bay, it's been just slightly under an inch above normal. This is for the month of May so far. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to see much of a change. The east and southeast look like we're going to be looking at above normal temperatures. And the Great Lakes out to the west, we're going to be looking, at least around our area, slightly below normal. And out to the west, it gets even cooler than that as you head out towards the next 6 to 10 days. I guess if there's any good news, the fact that we start out the holiday weekend with some warm temperatures. Same thing on Sunday. Monday, it gets a little bit cooler as we look for another round of some rain showers. We get another possibility of some rain showers again as we head in towards the middle and latter part of the week. But if you notice, the temperatures, average highs are about 68 to 70 degrees. We're going to be looking at some of these temperatures at least pretty close to seasonal averages. Precipitation, well, yeah, it still looks like it's going to be kind of wet out there as we head into the Great Lakes, pretty much the northern plains out to the west. Not much of an exception there, pretty much the same scenario. And even though we don't have specific numbers here, you can see, I guess if there's more good news to the picture, it's that the heaviest stuff remains down to our south, and that's where we've had some of the stronger weather down there in the form of tornadoes and severe thunderstorms and some heavy rain with a lot more flooding than even what we've seen up this direction. So it does look like we get into above normal precipitation, but back to the southwest is where we're going to be looking at probably more precipitation and probably even some heavier weather. Haven't had any severe weather around here yet, but that time is going to come eventually as we head in towards later on in the summer months. So we'll have to be prepared for that. But at least it looks like the trend's going to be for slightly cooler than normal temperatures as we head into the next 10 days, and precipitation will be slightly above normal. Midwest Farm Weekly will be back with more coming up here in just a few minutes.